Hello children, welcome back to English class. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the poem Why. The poem Why is an interesting poem. Why means it's a question for everyone. Our curiosity are eager to know the reasons for everything that is happening around us. Little children usually have a lot of questions in their mind. Why is that thing is like that? Why can't be like this? And so on. So we are going to see the little boy who keeps on asking so many questions. Let us understand the poem now. Let us go to the first stanza. The first stanza reads like this. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the why? Okay. So in the first stanza, the poet tells about the little boy who is very curious. Curious means eager to know everything. He always keeps on asking questions about things that he observes around him. He wants to know why is this happening? Why is that happening? Why did it happen? Why this is happening now? So the little boy wants to know all things. He is observing things around him and wants to know everything. Move to the second stanza. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So, in the second stanza, the poet continues to describe about the little boy who was very curious. He wants to know why does the wood should swim in the water? Why lead and marble sink in the water? Further, he asks some more questions like why does the sun shine and wind blowing? Why we should eat food and drink water? These are the queries asked by the little boy who imagines things around him and has a good understanding about the nature. More to the third stanza. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. So, in the third stanza, the poet gives few more examples. He asked by the little boy, he wants to know the procedure of cloud formation and why do they cross the sky? Why does the sun sets or disappears behind the hills? And he wants to know the reasons why do the beautiful flowers die in the garden? So, my dear children, you can see the curiosity of the boy. He wants to know the reason for every question. Okay, move to the last stanza. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why. So, in the last stanza, the poet tells that finally, if you try to think those questions asked by the little boy are not too difficult to answer it, and some questions we cannot give the answer, and no one has found them, and we have to accept them as facts. So the poet tries to satisfy the little boy's curiosity to know things around him. My dear students, I hope I am clear to you. Thank you. And here we have new words. Let's look into the new words. Curious. Curious means a strong desire to know something. Second meaning, lead, a soft gray metallic element. Third one, marble. Marble means a small ball of colored glass used as a toy. Fourth one, sink. Sink means go down below the surface of water or liquid. Fifth one is hard. Hard means solid or firm. Sixth one, reason. Reason means a cause or explanation. So I hope you understood. You learned the new words of this poem. Why? Thank you very much.